Hey, I'm going to show you how to create a really quick preview. I've got my local explorations with the mummies, and in this case, I don't need to be like, here's the exploration, here's the worksheets. I just want to show every page real quick. So I open up in Preview, I go to File, Print, Layout, 16 pages per sheet. You can change the orientation if you want. In this case, I want landscape. Do Save as PDF. And there it is. I can open it up and you can see that every page is there. Now I'm going to add a watermark and I'm going to flatten this. If you haven't watched the tutorial on Keyboard Maestro, this won't make sense. So literally I'm just going to use Automator to flatten it. Give it a second. Now it's flattened. Then I'm going to use Automator and Keyboard Maestro to watermark it. Then I'm going to use PDF Squeezer to save it, and there we go. Now notice I have all these different iterations, so I'm going to delete the ones that were just like temporary files. And now I have a preview, which is watermarked. Not that I think anybody's going to steal it, but just so it is that they can see every single page, and that is ready to go.